I got this Transit 250 just pulled up to the shop. About to replace the upholstery. Let's go and check out the before. Yeah, we do a lot of these in these vans for Amazon. Get started, stay tuned. Alright, check out the finished product. And we all done, on to the next one. We also have many other vehicles, many other styles and colors to choose from. If you would like to order an upholstery kit, the link will be in the description. Also, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, we do offer custom fit seat covers. The link for those will be in the description as well. Please subscribe for more content. And don't forget to like this video. Thank you. Better materials, better price, Exclusive Covers USA.